Hello. Today we are going to discuss our medical billing assistance program. This program was created to help improve your overall billing process and increase revenue. My name is Patrick Doherty, and I am the general manager here at M-Scribe. We all know that replacing your current billing process can be challenging and risky. So today we are going to talk about another option. Instead of changing your current billing service, we can bridge the gaps by analyzing your processes and fixing these processes permanently. So let's talk about how this works. You will be assigned a dedicated account manager that will work with your office and your current billing company. We use local certified coders and billers to determine potential revenue leakage. Then, we train and add processes to eliminate the loss of revenue. By using our certified coders, we are able to go in and determine if the proper ICD-10 codes have been used to match with the appropriate CPT codes. We will also look at your denials to determine if you are having any issues with credentialing. Using our proprietary program, we can actually compare the rates that you're getting paid with your contracts to determine if the payments are proper, and we can also negotiate with your existing insurance carriers to get better rates. By adding M-Scribe to your team, even if just temporary, we can improve the profitability for your practice. If you are interested in our medical billing assistance program or any other services that we offer, call me direct at 770-666-0470. I look forward to hearing from you. Please give me a call or drop me an email.